Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Tonight is Wednesday and I made a delicious supper. I made some fried chicken, mashed potatoes with brown gravy, and green beans. Look at this. Ooh, I'm so excited to eat this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I hope everybody's had a good day. If you've not subscribed to my channel, if you would do that, I would greatly appreciate it. And click the bell, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Let's get into this. Are y'all ready? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, here we go, y'all. This is my favorite thing right here, mashed potatoes with brown gravy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but see the gravy just pouring out. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. So I hope everybody's had a great day. Here we go. Oh yeah. That's my favorite. And y'all, I just use my fingers with my chicken, basically, or just my fork. I don't use a knife. Man, I put garlic in my green beans. A little bit of garlic, salt and pepper, sugar. Excuse me just 1 second. I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh, those green beans are so good. Y'all comment below and let me know what you had for supper. And give me some ideas of what you would like to see me cook or eat, or a challenge. Oh, man. This is scrumptious. Oh my. This might be just an eating video, not much talking. It's so good. And all I used to bread my chicken was flour, some panko breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, garlic salt, lemon pepper, and I think that was it. But it's so good, y'all. You okay? Y'all, it is pouring rain.
Thank you, man.
Welcome.
Love you.
Love you.
Please don't go in their way. Show that mama there. Keep them in there. Sorry.
It's fine.